In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Grok account. If you've decided it's time to move on, I'll guide you through the process clearly so you can complete it with confidence. Before we begin, a quick note. Deleting an account usually removes your data and access permanently. If there's anything you might want later, make sure you're comfortable letting it go. First, open your Grok account. That means launching the Grok app on your device or visiting the Grok website in your browser and signing in if you aren't already. Give the page a moment to load fully. A stable connection helps ensure all the settings appear as they should. Once you're in, click Profile. You'll typically find this by tapping your avatar or your account picture, often in the top corner of the screen. If you don't see an avatar, look for a profile label or a menu icon that expands to show your account options. Opening your profile is the quickest path to the area where Grok keeps your account controls. Next, click Settings. This is usually represented by a gear icon or labeled directly as Settings within your profile area. Settings is where Grok centralizes account preferences, privacy options, and other controls that affect how your account behaves. Inside Settings, click Data Controls. This section is dedicated to how your information is stored, managed, and, if you choose, removed. If you're having trouble finding it, scroll through the list carefully or look for a category related to privacy, data, or account information. Data controls should be there. Now scroll down and click Delete. The Delete option is typically placed toward the bottom to prevent accidental taps, so keep scrolling until you see it. When you click Delete, you may be asked to confirm your choice. This can include a quick on-screen confirmation, entering your password, or acknowledging what will happen to your data. Simply follow the prompts you see to finish the process. Depending on Grok's policies, deletion may happen immediately or after a short waiting period, and you might receive a confirmation message once it's complete. To recap, you'll open your Grok account, click Profile,